Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to change Facebook profile picture without posting on timeline. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to change your Facebook profile, you'll have to open up your Facebook application. And once you open up your application, this is what the interface is going to look like. After that, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. Next, you'll be directed to your profile page. Now you'll have to tap on the camera icon, which is right at the bottom. Just tap on it. After you tap on it, so then from the drop down menu, select the option that is select profile picture. After you tap on it, next all the picture that is stored on your gallery will be loaded. From here, select the picture that you want to add it to your profile. So just tap on it. After you select the image, this is what the interface is going to look like. And you can see right at the bottom there is an option as share your update to new feed. So you'll have to unmark this particular option so that it won't be posted on your timeline. So after you unmark this option, tap on save in the top right corner. As you can see that the profile picture has been changed, and right at the bottom if you scroll down to your profile, and you'll not find this particular image as your timeline. So that is how you can change your Facebook profile picture without posting on timeline. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.